Hi guys, my name is Mark Miller from Mayfield Highlands Public House. Just showcasing what we're doing here now. We're really featuring the best of our local produce, which is really in full season right now. As you can see, I have local corn on the cob and some herb butter here. We just did it very simple, just trying to pick the best stuff. Some local tomatoes are really starting to come in now. I'm going to showcase them with some Baratta cheese and some fresh basil. A little herb oil. Keeping it very simple and just letting the local produce shine, which it does this time of year. Really pretty Baratta. The Juliana's fresh basil here. Little kosher salt.